Is it possible to travel free and fly free using travel rewards without opening a ton of credit cards? Absolutely. I like to keep things simple, and I teach people to use just a handful of travel credit cards and still be able to fly free wherever they want to go, like my family, up to 6 times a year. Now, there are a lot of strategies out there that encourage you to open a lot of cards to meet the minimum spend and get a big chunk of points every single time. And there is a time and a place for that to do that here and there, but that is not simple. I recently heard someone say they had 40 travel credit cards the other day. That is extremely complicated and difficult to keep track of. Instead, what I focus on is helping you pick the correct card for your everyday spend. So we focus on where are you putting your everyday spend to continue to replenish your travel rewards and your points earning instead of constantly trying to open a new card to get a big chunk of points. And I have found that doing it this way for my family of four since 2015 has worked perfectly well. It is so much simpler, and it allows you to travel free to fly free with just 3 or 4 cards in hand.